Good afternoon, boys and girls. One thing I've learned from our Honorable Prime Minister, whenever she's informed like this, she says to the children, I want you to repeat after me. Be good. Be good. See good. See good. Do good. Do good. And good will always follow you. Do good. And good will always follow you. Enjoy the Christmas and all the best for the new year. Thank you. God bless.
Cogería si cogióle la desgracia, qué golpe no llevaría, qué golpe no llevaría. Una mujer me llamaba, pero yo no le entendía, pero yo no le entendía, pero que lo no defendía, a ninguna alma nacía, a ninguna alma nacía, en ella pues parado, yo vine porque sabía, yo vine porque sabía cómo se prendió en candela el pueblo de Santa Lucía.
Good evening, my name is Felipe Gonzalez. I'm the councillor for the electoral district of Muruga Barapo, and I'm very happy to be here this evening to be a part of this street. Platonic is one of the villages that sometimes let's be left out, and today we actually come here to bring joy to the hearts of the children in this area. Okay, I must indeed say thanks to the Samaru family for organizing the place and for seeing so many children out here. You know, I always say that a Christmas for all is a Merry Christmas, and indeed to this evening you can see the smile and the face of the children and all that actually helped to make this program a success this evening. Indeed, I must say thank you. I want to wish everybody a Merry Christmas and a bright and prosperous New Year. Godspeed, God bless and God's willing.
I'm Joseph Ali, Assistant Member of Parliament, Muruga Tableland, and Clifton Nikoto. Sim Nikoto became the MP in 2010. During that time, we have gotten a new police station in Muruga, a police station which was long overdue. It's functional now, new brand. We got a fishing port for the fishermen in Laufen. We also got water in the Marak area, our area that had no water for 40 years. We got water in Tinal Rock Road. We have completed 54 landslips. We have paved over 8 roads, different villages, and we are continuing working, and we will try our best with the help of the government and the Sekoto to improve the lives of the people in Muruga Tableland. He's one of the dedicated MPs in the area. We go right to the constituency, we distribute toys, we try to have the people happy, we do all the infrastructure for them, and we'll continue doing that.
And I hope that you will continue to come in Platonic and continue to help us.
On behalf of our community, I want to thank you very much for what you have done for our children for a very long time, and we appreciate what we get and hoping to see for next step. Thanks very much.
We look forward to your continued support.
Again, as the Member of Parliament for Muruga Tableland, Clifton Nikoto, I want to wish Trinidad and Tobago a Merry Christmas and a bright and prosperous year. And also from my ministry, the Ministry of Gender, Youth and Child Development, we wish you a Merry Christmas and a bright and prosperous year, especially to the youth of Trinidad and Tobago.